Are you tired of hunting through eBay's settings just to manage returns? Learn exactly where to click to find it in under 30 seconds. I'll walk you through the exact path from your dashboard to the returns page. Follow these 7 simple steps. Start by going to your eBay dashboard, where you'll see your account overview. Then, hover over your name in the top left corner to reveal a drop-down menu. Now, click on Account Settings from that menu. In Account Settings, click on Seller Center. Once there, click on Shipping. Then, click on Managing Returns. And that's it! You're now in the Returns Management area. Happy selling! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.